Hey y'all. So I got a new phone. I got a new iPhone 13 Pro Max. And when I got that phone, I was super excited to unbox it. And I went to YouTube and watched a couple of tutorials on how to make my phone operate at its full capacity. When I did that, I turned off some settings that I didn't know I was turning them off. I was just going through the tutorial and then realized, okay, that doesn't work anymore. So this right here is what did not work, is this little share thing that you see. And this is from when you take a screenshot and you're wanting to send it to somebody. This will allow you to send it to the most recent person or persons that you emailed or you sent a text message to, or if you sent somebody a message through Facebook Messenger or whatever, it would allow you to do it quickly. Well, I turned that off when I was resetting my phone or playing with new settings on my phone. I looked everywhere, could not find how to reset it, could not find out how to turn it back on, couldn't even find out what it was called. I looked for everything. I even typed out what I was doing with it, taking a screenshot and sending to quick contacts. I looked up everything. So I just thought, okay, well, maybe the new phone doesn't do that. So I was sitting outside one day with hubby B and he suggested what he thought it was. So it's actually Siri and Search. And if you don't have this feature turned on in your phone, you should turn it on. And this is how you do it. You go to your settings, you go to Siri and Search, and then you scroll down to make it shareable. And how on earth would I have even thought that that was something Siri when I was doing this? Anyway, that's what it is. If you don't have this feature on your phone, or you had it and you don't know what happened to it like me, you go through your settings again, and this is from Siri. So, but the point of the video is be very mindful when you're updating based on some of these videos. While they're great videos, I mean, I have updated my phone and I've updated some settings so the battery won't die as quickly. They're great videos, they're great tutorials, but you want to make sure that you're not turning off something that you need, so like I did. So until next time, bye y'all.